Oh, there's the bell. I've gotta go. Oh, my skirt is caught in the locker! Come on! I don't have time for this! I said, let's go! Oh no! Oh, right. My key. Doy. Huh? Where is it? Of course. It must be in my bag. It's gotta be in here somewhere. Okay, this is ridiculous. I can't find it. Wait, I have an idea. Here I go! Let's see. Bag of chips. Books. I better go deeper. There it is! I found it! Phew! Finally! That was a lot of work. There we go. Locker is finally open. Wait. I think I've got a better idea. I've got my 3D pen and a little heart template I drew. I'll just follow the outline. Great! And now I can fill it in. This is my favorite part of drawing with 3D pens. I really like doing the longer lines. I want to make this look good so I can't have any gaps. Okay, the heart is done. Now I'll just add a keychain to the end. The 3D pen can help secure it too. There! It's complete and ready to use. It looks so cute! And the best part is, no more lost key! This dance is so fun! Oh! The doorbell! I'll get it! Shoot! We were in a groove! Look! It was a package! Yay! It's my new Crocs! They're beautiful! I love them! Wow! I'm so jealous! Mine are plain and boring. Hey! I bet I can fix them! I drew a cute little flower. And now for my trusty 3D pen. 2 petals done. On to the rest. I prefer a back and forth pattern. And there! Now I'll use yellow to fill in the center. Aw! It turned out so cute! Next up, a strawberry. I'm gonna outline this one in black first. It's looking good! Now for the green top. And of course, red for the berry. This is gonna be adorable! And done! Next up, a star! I don't even need a template for this one. I can just freehand the outline. This yellow will make it look like it's shining brightly. There we go. Now it's time for the shoes. Think I'll put the star right here. Now for all the others. Yes! They turned out great! Time to try them on! Oh my gosh! I absolutely love them! You did such a great job, Kate! Well, here. You can have it. Aw, thanks! Want to see something really cool? Look what else I made! They slip right over the tops for a completely new look. I just used a 3D pen to trace the shoe. So cool! Oh, right! The dance! We can show off our new shoes, too! Almost done cleaning these dishes. Phew! Oh no. Another mug. Clean this one too, please. Okay, fine. Just one more. I don't know how a mug can get so dirty. What the? My hand! Oh no! Did it break? Whoa! It's still in one piece! No! The handle on our favorite mug! She's gonna kill me! Wait, maybe I can fix it. I don't even need glue, cause I've got my 3D pen. I'll just cover the crack. It's the same color, so you can barely see it. And then I'll do it all the way down the handle. All along the edge. It doesn't need a lot, though. There. One side done. Now onto the other. I'll just do the same thing here. Almost done with this side. There we go. And now to make sure I've got the top and bottom, too. The handle's the most important part of the mug, so I've gotta make sure it's secure. Done! And the handle's holding, too. Oh, here's some juice for you. Huh. I see you've added some texture to the handle. Is there something going on? No? Well, it does make it easier to grip. Thanks for the juice. Phew, I'm so glad that worked. Excuse me. I've got to get into my locker. It's so weird that she's studying right here. Shoot! There's the bell. Hey! How did my skirt get caught in the locker? Ooh, it's really caught in there. I better just yank it free. Ugh! It yanked free of me instead! No, I better not try that. Oh! There's a huge hole! Wait a second. Yes! My 3D pen! I'm so glad I brought this to school. I'll just draw a cute little design around the hole in the skirt. Now to start filling it in. Gotta make sure the hole's covered. Okay, now for the next color. And to cover this part of the hole too. There! The hole's hidden! Now for extra details. I'll fill in the ears. And now for little eyes. Can't forget a nose and mouth either. Aw, the box turned out so adorable! The hole is hidden and my skirt's extra cute now! Though the wolf had sharp teeth, he also had a big heart. And so, when the princess stroked his fur, he laid at her feet. And from that day forward, they were always together. Oh, she fell asleep. I'll just tuck her in. Now to tiptoe out of her room. Oh no! That was so loud! Oh, please don't wake up. Phew, she stayed asleep. Shoot, I broke her doll. She's gonna be so upset when she finds out. Darn, what am I gonna do? Oh, I know what I can do. Come here, Dolly. Time for some repairs. Don't let me down, 3D pen. I really need you this time. I'm gonna try to make it look like fish scales. So the mermaid tail looks more real. And now for the fins at the bottom. Yellow seems like a good color to start with. But I'll use a bunch because I want it to be pretty. There we go. Now for some finishing touches. A little more yellow at the top. And I'm done! Aw, that turned out really cute! I think she'll be happy with the results. I'm honestly pretty proud of myself with this. I'll just leave Dolly here for her to find. Sleep tight. Now to sneak out of the room again. The wolf wants cherry ice cream. Yeah! I was right! This popcorn is so good! Where is it? Where is it? Maybe it's under these pillows. What are you doing? Stop throwing pillows at me. Let me check under your legs. It's useless! I've looked everywhere! What's your problem? I'm missing one of my earrings. I can't find it. Huh. Well, this leaf kinda looks like it. Give me a bit. I can totally fix this for you. 3D pen to the rescue once more! This green is so pretty! I really like how it's shiny. Onto the other side of the leaf. It's kind of fun tracing a real leaf. Done! Now to slide it off. It almost looks like real foliage. Time to attach the hook for the earring. Good. Now to make another. They're ready to wear. Look what I have for you! Here! Nice! Let me try them on! How do they look? Good? Yay! Oh my gosh! I love them! They look like real leaves! So pretty! Well, there you go! You don't have to worry anymore! What would you make with a 3D pen? Let us know in the comments! And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel's page for more great videos like this one!